Just seen my woodpecker. He's been pecking here on my mailbox. Just seen him on the side. Look here. He done pecked a hole in my damn mailbox. I guess he hangs on to this and I don't know, just pecks. And so he's trying to make this his house, I believe. So what I'm gonna do is I got some JB well. JB Quick. And so what I'm gonna do is mix up a little JB Quick. I'm gonna repair my hole, and then I'm gonna smear some across this, and then later on we'll come back and do some painting. But when he gets to pecking on this, he ain't gonna like it. So let me do a little repair work and see what I can come up with. Alright, I used a 2 tubes or a whole tube of JB weld, and got the hole repaired and put like a little skim as much as I could all over the outside. So when the woodpecker comes back, it's gonna be a little harder to go through. So we'll see if that don't deter him, and then if it does, then I'll come back and I'll do some filling and painting. Try to get it back to where it needs to be. Alright. That's all for my woodpecker repair job. Alright, let's check and see if our woodpecker's been back over here. I don't see, I don't know if you can see that or not in the dark. See if I can turn on, there we go. I don't see any little pecks anymore, so he ain't been back pecking. Got a hole that's filled up, so I don't think he's been back. If he has, he's got a sore beak. Alright, now I gotta get my I really need to get some more stuff and fill in here and then repaint, and I'll probably fill this in with wood putty and then paint. So. And we'll see if that don't work. Alright, JB weld versus woodpecker. We'll see who wins. I guess that's it for now.